Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your credit card from fraud with Bank of America. Full guide step by step clearly. To protect your credit card from fraud with Bank of America, start by logging into your online banking account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the Fraud Protection option. Here, you can enroll in transaction alerts. These alerts will notify you via text or email of any purchases made with your card. Next, enable the card lock feature. This allows you to temporarily disable your credit card if you suspect fraud. Make sure to update your contact information. This ensures the bank can reach you if any suspicious activity is detected. Regularly monitor your account transactions. Review your statements for any unfamiliar charges. If you spot anything suspicious, contact Bank of America immediately. Consider using the Virtual Card Numbers feature. This generates a temporary card number for online purchases, keeping your actual card number safe. Stay informed about potential scams and phishing attempts. Always verify the source before providing any personal information. Lastly, keep your devices secure. Use strong passwords and keep your software up to date to prevent hacks. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of credit card fraud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.